What is up, guys? Welcome to the Hocus Pocus School. Today we're going to talk about how to be a liquidity provider for the WIZ protocol. Before we start this off, let's head over to wiz-protocol.com. Once you do that, we're going to come over to this middle button, which is right next to Buy WIZ and purple paper. Click on that. And we're going to get this beautiful on-chain wizard that's going to pop right up. On the left side, we have all these great tabs, and we're going to come over here and select liquidity. Once you select liquidity, please open up your MetaMask wallet. It should connect directly to the wallet that you want to use, and also please make sure that you have the Ethereum Network selected. Once that's popped up, you can come over here and specify how many WIZ tokens you wish to pair up with Ethereum tokens. And so in this case, I am going to do about $10 each, which amounts to about 7 million WIZ tokens. Once that is completed, you're going to select Add Liquidity. And the smart contract will pop up. And then we're going to hit Confirm. Be sure to approve it on your Ledger wallet if that is the wallet you are using. I recommend everyone put all their keys on a cold storage wallet to protect yourself. Once that has been completed, you're going to get another smart contract that will pop up, and then you come down, you hit Confirm, and we go through. Approve the transaction, and this will take a little bit of a minute. So awesome, the transaction has been approved. Now, starting off, a little bit of a breakdown of how this being a liquidity provider works. You have your balance, which will tell you how many WIZ tokens you have, how much Ethereum you have. It'll tell you the current pool reserves, which is how much WIZ token is paired up with Ethereum tokens, and then it'll tell you your current pool tokens on Uniswap. And this is basically how many of your WIZ tokens are paired up with Ethereum. And so essentially, for being a liquidity provider, this basically essentially makes it a lot easier to execute swaps. And typically when you go through and you try to buy the WIZ token, it has to go through a liquidity pool where the tokens are stored. And basically you want the liquidity pool to be extremely liquid with plenty of tokens so that the slippage can be extremely small. Typically, if there's less tokens, it's a higher slippage. Now, when you add liquidity to the liquidity pool, you also get to earn some passive income from your share of the liquidity pool. So it's a great place to earn passive income. Now, we here for Hocus Pocus added a front-end liquidity provider because on Uniswap, they actually charge you a fee every time you add liquidity for any of the tokens. And when you utilize this liquidity decentralized application, you actually get to bypass that fee and just add liquidity right away, and it'll go straight to the same liquidity pool on Uniswap. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. Now, guys, that is it for the video. If you have any questions about how to add liquidity to the WIZ liquidity pool, please leave a comment down below on this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.